Hi friends, last video we learned about tools, workbenches like Sketcher workbench, part designing workbench, and we also learned about how to use tools while designing a part design. And in this video, we are going to learn how to design a part body by using catia. Let's start our video. Here, now we are going to design this part body. You can see. Let's start our procedure to design. This is a simple part body design. In this, you have to read the diagram and dimensions. The main thing is in creating a body, you have to read the diagram first, all the diameters. Let's start drawing operation. Let's go to CATIA. Here, the first step is start mechanical design in the part design. Give a name to report. 8 meters. So for the base is 8 meters, so it's like 8. So I'm giving the load is 0.25 simple meters for each one. Part. So you will take 2 meters. You can give what you want. Okay. Here, the three planes are there. I'm selecting YZ plane and click on sketch. Now go to the design. Here you can see this circle has a diameter of 50 mm. 50 dia on this circle. Now come to catia. Here I am taking center point circle. Here and giving diameter of 50 mm. Yes. What is the next step? Again, here from this point to this point. Here from this point to this point it shows 66 of length. Already we draw a circle of dia 50. 50 plus 16 is equal to 66. Okay. Let's go to result. Here. So again the increment for this will be equal to 5. I'm drawing one line. Okay. So from the X and from here to here, the diameter, the distance is 16 inter. Okay. Now you can see from here to here it shows 66 there. Okay. Let's go to design. Now here you can see this line length is 30. Okay. Let's go to design. Here given equals 30 enter. Okay. Now I am joining circle and this. So guys, here you can see our zeros, just crossing. Okay, apply. Like this. You can apply mirroring it here. Okay. So this is the like this. Okay. So now I'm going to trim extra portion. No reflections going on. This is a required shape. Okay. Now let's go to the scale. Here you can see this circle has a day of 26. Okay. This mid circle has a day of 26. Here I'm taking center point circle from this circle center point. I'm taking another circle day of 26. 26. Okay.